Most IB students could not solve this problem. M2 accelerates at g over 2. What is M1 is to M2? Paper 1, mark 1. You have 60 seconds to solve this problem. Pause here or lose that mark. Stick around till the end for the hack. Time's up. Let's apply our shortcut. We know the two forces acting on our system are the forces of gravity shown here. Now imagine we lay the system flat on a horizontal table. In that case, the two forces acting on the system would be M1g pulling it to the left and M2g pulling the system to the right. This means that the total force on the combined system would be M2g minus M1g. The total mass of the system would be the combined mass, which is M1 plus M2. From Newton's second law, we also know that the total force on a system equals the total mass times the acceleration. If we take these two equations and substitute it here, we'll end up with another expression shown here. We also knew that the acceleration was g over 2, so let's substitute it here. If we do that, we end up with this beautiful expression. Now this expression can be simplified if we cancel g throughout. If we do that, we end up with another expression shown here. Now this expression can be rearranged for m1 over m2. If we do that, we end up with this beautiful equation. And this is what we were looking for. And that completely solves the problem. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.